So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can recover the Premiere Pro projects after crash. Now for example, all of my Premiere Pro have been disappeared and I forgot to save the project or anything. Now in order to do it, just simply open the folder on your system where the project have been saved. For example, the project is saved on this folder. Now on that particular folder you'll notice some other folders have automatically created that are Premiere Pro autosave. Now just simply open this particular folder and here you'll find multiple saved projects over this folder right there. Now, what you need to do is to just simply match the name of that particular project that you want to recover first. Then select the latest version of that particular project. For example, if I want to select the sample project's latest version, for example, that this one is created on the latest time zone timeline. So just simply open this one and you'll notice that you have recovered your original project. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.